Mutukanio wa mahenya mithemba 12 megukuruhania mahenya ma gutua ngongo rodumwe na mahenya ma kiharo na kuria kambuni ya utungata wa thimu Safaricom megukorwo makirugamirira. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa wendia Steve Okeyo, augite uyu ni mubango wa kambuni ino gukuria iheo cia mbeu njithi kiumia kihituku makirugamirira mahenya ma andu aria matari hinya wa maitho mwena wa Meru.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is no telling what we will accomplish this year. What we know for sure is that the 5th edition of the Safaricom Athletics Series promises to be just as exciting as the last 4.
Kambuni ino ningi ni mekurugamirira mahenya ma atengeri matakiritie miaka 18 ma IAAF maria mabangitwo gatagati ka mweri 12 na mweri 16 mweri wa mugwanja makiuga ni kanya kega ga gukuria mahenya.
We hope Safaricom will consider continuing with us once again and sponsoring us in the next coming years, so that we can move and succeed together.
Ningi ni mekurutithania wira hamwe na honge cia mathako ta Athletics Kenya gwethana na iheo cia mbeu njithi. Mubango wa kiumia turorete ari mahenya ma aria matonaga kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu. Ngiribotera Kameme iharo-ini ria kwa Njeta Mwihaki wa Ndogo.